Hi, I'm Bryony from Road Angel and we are excited to introduce to you our new product, the Halo Ultima 4K Dual Dashcam. There are some new amazing features on the Halo Ultima, such as a compact screenless design and a 4K front and 1080p rear camera. This new model has a quick release mount, which makes it easy for you to change between your vehicles. We all know that ice can cover your windscreen, which can cause a problem for your dashcam, but with the built-in winter mode, this allows our dashcam to keep you protected all year round. With the built-in GPS mode, the Halo Ultima allows for continuous location monitoring. All of this information and more is available on the Halo Playback app, which allows you to instantly save and review footage. Alongside all these amazing features, we also have some great additions that specifically benefit tradespeople. We understand that your tool and equipment security is important to you, which is why the new Road Angel Halo Ultima has got a front and rear dashcam. Whilst the front is protecting you on the road, the rear can double up as a CCTV and be used to point inside the back of your van. This added layer of security can deter theft and provides evidence in case of a break-in. If you have a fleet of vehicles on the road, it is important to know that they are all protected from false claims and false allegations. With the crystal clear 4K footage, this can provide you with clear evidence in case of an accident. The built-in GPS allows for tradespeople to document their route and service calls. This is invaluable for letting the customers know the service time and location. The 24/7 parking mode is especially useful for tradespeople doing work on a site for an extended period of time. The Halo Ultima allows for hands-free operation. This is a screenless design which keeps your driver free from obstruction and distraction whilst driving, which is especially useful when driving through urban areas or busy work sites. With the Halo Dashcam's HD night vision feature, this allows for superior quality, day and night. Say goodbye to shaky footage. With the new auto image stabilisation feature on our Halo Ultima Dashcam, you will no longer have a shaky image on bumpy rides. This will allow for a clear and detailed stabilised image throughout your whole journey. Featuring a battery voltage monitoring system and a voltage cut-off mechanism, the Halo Ultima means that your battery will never run flat when installed correctly. The Halo Ultima is designed to meet the demanding needs of both individuals and professionals, offering unmatched reliability, security and ease of use. Get your Halo Ultima today.